Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus
is changing the way we live.
Oh, what the fuck? Hey, come on, man. You just sneezed on me. I mean, I'll kick your fucking ass you come near me again. Stop them guys, hold up. They're walking around sneezing on people and he's photographing. Why you carrying the camera in this? Fucking guy sneezed on my head and got the back of my head soaking wet. And it was done on purpose, and I'm pretty sure you were filming.
And if you are sick, no matter who you are, please stay home.
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
Hey, I got shorties out trying to find me that look. Slipping through the cracks cause I'm slime me.
Quit playing with me, cause you got me fucked up. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Willie Esco TV, man. Back again with another banger alert. I know y'all seen a thumbnail caption down below, but in today's video, I did sneezing on people. So pretty much, I went up behind people with this spray bottle and gave them a little
Coronavirus!
Trust me, I will never, ever disrespect anybody and sneeze on them. At the end of the day, this is all for entertainment purposes. And also, I got some crazy lit extreme funny reactions. So I need you guys to watch the full video. And I got chased out the store. Yeah, I got chased out the store. So I need you guys to do me a huge favor by smashing that like button. Comment down below. Also, you guys do your channel, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, okay? See that little red button down below? Yeah, just hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and hop on a journey with your boy, cause I got a lot of lit bangers up my sleeve coming for y'all. But without further ado, man, we gonna hop straight into this video. Let's get it, let's go. Let's run it up, you dig?
Oh shit.
Man, you just sneezed on me.
I'm sorry.
Get a mask on! Mask on! Mask on!
Fucking mask up.
Sensational. Wait, can you give me some medicine by any chance?
No, I can't.
Okay. Please? Wow. God, man. Can never get no medicine around here. Jeez Louise, man.
Target neutralized.
Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
Do it! Just do it! Oh, come on, man. I know you playing, man. Now you playing, man. Get out of here. Why you playing? I only got something in your pocket, boy.
No, I'm contagious.
I know you talking. You talking something, man.
No.
Here we go!
Wait, can I use your jacket to wipe my nose? Help me, please. Guys, I need some help. I'm sick to my stomach. I had to let that go. I had to. What's the next one?
A few moments later.
No, but I had to let it out.
What the fuck? Why did you sneeze on me?
I did it. I didn't mean to do
You
it.
asking me to give you my jacket?
I need to wipe my nose.
This guy is sneezing on everybody.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Can you please tell him to give me the store?
I'm by myself.
He's telling me, give me your jacket. I need to clean my fucking nose.
You snitching, big fella? You a snitch, you gonna get found in the ditch, big fella.
Damn. I hope you ain't sick.
Yeah. That's the reaction I want. Yo, he really cursed me out. He's like, God damn, you son of a...
NANI?
You just sneezed on me.
You're making my stomach sick. I think I'm allergic to you.
What did you say?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Whatever that was, walk away.
Wait, can I use your mask to wipe my nose?
No.
My mask is dirty.
Go away. I don't know what you just did, but walk away, seriously.
Daddy, chill.
Wait, can I use your jacket?
No, dude, walk away.
How, you want me to take like 6 steps back?
Go out of this aisle right now. I don't know what you just threw on me. If you just sneezed on me, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm just gonna walk away now.
Yeah, you need to walk away.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, I'm going. Oh my God, my nose is killing me. Whew.
Right on me.
I'm feeling under the weather.
Yeah, but why are you walking around in the store like that?
You're making me.
Sneezed right on me.
You're making me sick.
Why did you sneeze on me?
What did I did not do nothing wrong.
You sneezed right on me right here. I still have your proof.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Oh my God. I didn't mean to do it.
Estúpido.
Oh my God. Oh. You dropped some. yo.
Stop playing.
Are you okay? I can use your jacket to wipe my nose. I got like a little bit of mucus coming down my nose. Your jacket to wipe my nose.
What? I'm out, man.
Yeah, can I? Please, sir, I need something to wipe my nose.
Shut your lame ass up, man.
Why? Why? It's always something going on, man. I can never get no help, no assistance. Nobody doesn't want to help.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit, what is that?
No respect. You throw everything over me. You should cover your mouth.
I didn't see you there.
No, come on. I'm invisible? Shame on you, man. You are a man. You're not a baby.
Okay.
I understand, but you was in the way.
No, this is not the way to deal with people.
But you was in the way. Wait, can I use your shirt as a napkin to wipe my nose?
Boy, if you don't. Cause you got me fucked up.
Oh! It's not normal, that. Trust me, it's not normal.
Wait, can I get some? Oh, I can get some. Just a little bit. I just want a little bit.
Are you sick?
No. Yes.
Huh?
Bitch, what?
Are you sick?
I have a little virus. A stomach virus.
Huh?
I have a stomach virus. Yeah, just wipe your face too.
Huh?
I'm saying just wipe your neck and wipe your face. Gotta make sure you're sanitized.
No, you should cover your mouth, man. You are wearing a mask. You don't put it on your nose. So how come?
Yeah, I understand,
when
but
you sneeze, cover your nose, man.
yeah, I had to pull it down so I could like be able to sneeze. They always say use your.
Unless if you did it on purpose, I don't know.
No. Yeah, can I get some more? Matter of fact, I always make sure I'm on the safe side. I just want to be clean. Just a little bit more.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, can you just assist me real quick?
Oh, take it.
Okay. All right, just have a nice day. My fault. My allergies acting up. It's allergy season.
I got it too.
Yeah, no, it's fine. You okay? Yeah, by any chance you have like some Vicks on you?
Oh, some
No.
Vicks?
Yeah, some Vicks.
Oh,
no. Okay.
I don't use that stuff.
Is it by any chance I could use your shirt to wipe my nose?
No.
Okay. Can you buy me some like tissues?
No.
Can you go to your doctor and like get some medicine for me?
No, I can't.
You could.
I'm from out of town. I don't live around here.
Okay. By any chance you can go to like the pharmacy and pick me up some medication? Since we're already here.
No.
Oh.
I don't got no cash on me.
I have to go somewhere.
Oh, you can't stay with me for a little bit?
No.
Just to help me out?
Right now, no. I have an appointment somewhere in a few minutes.
Cap.
Okay.
Cap.
You have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks. I need some medicine.
Oh God!
You good?
What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, I'm good. Just sleeping on the car. Yeah.
I can't control it. This is a sneezing zone. This is a sneezing zone. I could sneeze in this area.
Yo, if I was out coughing with this shit, that's nasty. That's disrespectful, man. Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
Bro, I couldn't hold it in much longer.
No good, amigo.
I mean,
That's fucking nasty.
I mean, you got your mask on, so you should be good though. Just get some hand sanitizer wipe behind your neck.
No good, amigo, no good. I don't know if that's what is that? That's hand sanitizer? Yeah, somebody can take that. No good.
What's no good?
No. You speak Spanish, nigga? The fuck?
I don't speak. You speak English?
Que no good de Jesús.
Achoo?
Ah, que tú.
Huh? What? Oh, you seen it? Yeah, it's a friend. It's a friend.
No, amigo, es que de boricua. No good, boricua. Pa.
Yeah, it's a friend. It's a friend. All right, now.
I got it.
Coronavirus! Watch closely. You're about to experience a nigga moment.
Yo, man, what the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Yo, you need to go get the fuck out the store. What's security at? What the fuck is you doing, bro? Yo, man, you need to leave, man. Get the fuck out.
I knew this prank was about to be serious, bro. Oh shit. Yo, this dude's really chasing me, bro. Bro, I gotta leave. It's too hot right now. It's too hot. I know for a fact somebody's gonna tee up on me, bro. I knew somebody's gonna tee up on me. No, I'm not doing this again, bro. I did not know it was gonna get this hostile, bro. I knew if I do it to the wrong person, I knew for a fact I was gonna get a crazy ass reaction. Where did he go? But I don't know, bro. I really don't know. All I know, I just went behind him, I just sneezed, and then pretty much I just got a crazy ass reaction out of him. I just knew for a fact I was gonna get my ass either. I don't know, bro. I'm just speechless right now. Like I just knew for a fact somebody. He hit you. Bro, he shoved me, bro. But at the same time, though, bro, I don't know if I could do this anymore. You think I should keep on doing it? You gotta do it. Bro, I gotta do it, bro. I gotta do it just for you guys, man. I love each and every single one of you guys. I gotta do it for the culture, you know what I'm saying?
Later that night.
Shoo.
Oh, what the fuck?
Caught you?
Caught me, I'll kick your fucking ass you come near me again.
I
Sneeze right on.
I got the vaccine. I'm good. I'm good.
Fucking crazy.
I'm good though.
You fucking did that on purpose.
We got a runner.
Let's be out.
Fucking setup.
Oh, where'd he go? Wait, what happened?
We got a runner.
Something bad going on. One more right here. Walking around sneezing on people and he's photographing.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I was like, what's going on? So I just want to figure out what's going on.
Why you carry the camera in the store?
I'm looking for some lenses.
What happened? Taking pictures?
No, I'm trying to buy some lenses.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's nobody back there?
I was trying to look for somebody, but I didn't see nobody.
There's 2 people back there.
Fucking
Well, I've been
guy
trying to-
sneezed on my head and got the back of my head soaking wet. And it was done on purpose, and I'm pretty sure you were filming.
I'm trying to look for some lenses. That's all.
There should be 2 people back there, but if you in the store, not in the customer, then I have to actually leave the store.
Listen, I just came for some
lenses.
lenses.
2 that just ran out here?
No, cause I was in that area, and then I was trying to see what's the commotion about, and that's it.
I just can't have y'all messing with the customer.
I'll leave. I'm not welcome. It is what it is.
Okay. I mean, if you with them, I'll just go ahead and leave. So they're gonna just get you in trouble if you don't got nothing to do with it.
All right.
Yo, listen. I was trying to hit dips. This dude's Willie taking forever to come outside. Like, bro, if I get any contact with the cops again in one more, I'm hit. So, yo, that guy, I underestimated him. He's fast, bro. For his age, he's fast. I wasn't running full speed. I didn't think he was gonna catch up. He almost kicked my ass. He almost kicked my ass.
Can I say something real quick? I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was not expecting that once again, cause and plus on top of that, for a guy at his age running that quick, I had to catch up to him. And on top of that, like, I was not expecting to run. I thought I was gonna jog, but this man was really running. Like, I could not keep up with him.
Yo, that was funny. Yo, guys, make sure y'all subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. This is a banger. Willie, go crazy.
Oh yeah, make sure y'all like this video. I ain't gonna lie. Smash that like button right now. All you gotta do to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna drop more bangers for y'all consistently every single week. At least 1 or 2 videos I'm gonna push out every single time. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, my crap.
No more slacking.
You heard it, man. No more slacking. No more slacking. More uploads. That's the motto from now on. If I'm not uploading, y'all need to DM me on Instagram too. Y'all gotta get on my ass and be like, Willie, you gotta post. You have to post, okay? If I'm not posting, I'm not doing my job, you know what I'm saying? I want to entertain y'all guys. I want to entertain you guys at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? I want to make you guys happy. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, hit that like button. And also, if you guys new to the channel, hit that subscribe button.
Yo, when I see that old man, this is icy. This is icy. I'm not scared. Yo, Willie, this is icy.
I can't look at that right now.
If you,
I can't multitask, damn it.
Look.
No, okay.
I say, hey, yeah, how you doing? I am not no regular, my life is like a movie. Yes, I must admit I'm gothic, she still wanna do me.